Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download XM app on iPhone. Downloading the XM app on your iPhone is a simple process, but it is worth doing carefully, especially because trading apps involve your money and personal data. XM is a well-known online trading platform that allows users to trade forex, commodities and other financial instruments directly from their phone. So first, begin by unlocking your iPhone and locate the App Store here and tap on your App Store. And once you open to your App Store on the bottom, we can find there's an option for the search bar. Tap on the search bar and type down XM app and search for it. So over here, you'll just find the XM app and identify the official app here. Tap on the get beside it under this XM and review the logo and the rating as well. And this step is important because there may be similar looking apps. And once you tap on this get beside it, you'll get into this and you have to double click to install it, and you may be asked to verify using your Face ID, Touch ID, Apple ID. After verification, the download will begin automatically. And that is it. Installing the XM app on your iPhone is quick and user-friendly, but attention to detail matters. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.